Staging a home doesn't necessarily mean replacing all of your personal items with that of a third party, nor does it mean spending lots of money. I'm Alexandra Crawford, California Realtor. Today, I'll be breaking down home staging tips to help you highlight your home's best assets without breaking the bank. We'll start with this. You'll want to focus your efforts on the rooms that have the biggest potential impact on buyers' decisions. Based on studies for the National Association of Realtors, those top three areas include the living room, master bedroom, and kitchen. So, although the entire home is important, you want to start with focusing your efforts where it matters most. Pay close attention to areas that buyers will see the most. Door frames and doorways are the first point of contact that buyers have as they approach your home. You'll want to make sure these areas are free of debris and cobwebs. Maybe even add a welcome sign or welcome mat if you're up to it. As potential buyers are waiting to get in the home, while us realtors are working to open those lock boxes, they'll be staring at those things that are in eye shot. I know I do this. I know it's hard to face it sometimes, but you do want potential buyers to visualize themselves in your space. After all, it could be theirs one day. So, your personal style is typically reflected in the decor you choose. Setting your home up as a blank canvas as much as possible is a great help. Removing personal photos, trinkets, and magnets from the refrigerator, and also anything that's overly religious. Replace your air filters. Not only can this help enhance the smell of your home, but this is also one of those items I consistently see buyers request that the seller replace when the home inspection report comes back with a note that the air filters are dirty. So this one's interesting. I have a rolling joke with a buyer of mine that we should start taking lanterns to every single home showing. Nothing puts a damper on home showings like a dark room or space. As a seller, your goal is to appeal to the masses to be able to net the highest sales price possible. Of course, buyers can use their imagination, but there are ways to avoid this and appeal to more potential buyers. Turning all lights on, including closet lights, can be a huge help. Opening all curtains and blinds as well. Not only will it help brighten the space, but it could also help make the room appear larger than it is. Having as much walkable space as possible helps buyers navigate and also visualize their belongings in the space. Having a Blues Clues size sofa in a small home is probably not a great idea. So, if it can be avoided, put away any oversized pieces of furniture, also damaged pieces, ideally in a garage if you have one, helping to declutter the space and open things up for potential buyers to freely walk through. I'm sure we all love cleaning our homes, but now's the best time to really bring out the big tools, or better yet, prepare to call a cleaning company. Their number one priority is to get homes sparkling clean. They also do routine cleaning and typically will get areas that we oftentimes miss. As you can tell by my video, or at least I hope you can, staging a home to prepare it for sale does not need to cost a lot of money. As a local realtor, I have my finger on the pulse of the market. So if you have questions and want more selling tips, you can give me a call or send me a text at 619 752 4177. I'd love to chat with you.